problem na naman ang ating sasagutin. So, 4 times a number plus 2 is 18. Find the number. Pause the video and try. Tinry mo ba? At kung nakuha mo yung tamang sagot, very good. At if interested ka namang malaman kung paano sasagutin, keep watching. So this is an example of linear equations in a single variable. So madali lang siya, direct translation lang naman. Kaya lang maganda rin na paminsan-minsan i-recall natin kung paano gumawa ng mga ganitong translations para mas ma-enhance natin yung mathematical skills natin. So let's start. So una, syempre, i-represent muna natin yung missing number as any letter will do. Let's say for example, let be the unknown number equal to n. So kahit naman ano, pwede naman. Then next is ita-translate natin yung words into mathematical symbols. So let's start. So 4 times a number plus 2 is 18. So of course, 4 as we know, 4 yan. Then times, this is referring to operation. No? X na lang yung ilalagay ko dito as times. A number, yung unknown number natin, kanina na-represent natin as n. So ilalagay ko dito n. Plus, this is another operation. Then the symbol for plus is of course yung cross natin. And then yung 2, okay, is in math is equal. Then 18 is of course 1 and 8. Then all we have to do now is to rewrite natin dito. Okay? So again, 4 times a number, that's 4 times n is 4n, okay, plus 2 is equal to 18. So ganun lang siya kadali. So 4 times a number plus 2 is 18. And then all you have to do now is to solve the equation. So we need to isolate n. Since nasa right side na siya, para hindi na lang siya mag-negative, si 2 na lang yung i-transpose natin. So we transpose 2 from left going to the right side. So magiging siyang negative 2. Okay? And then we rewrite our equation. So ang magiging right side natin yan is 18, tapos yung tinransfer natin na si 2, magiging negative. Yun. Okay? Tapos sa left side natin, ang matitira na lang si 4n. Since hindi naman natin sila nilipat, is mananatili silang positive. Same with 18. And then, we simplify. Dun sa right side natin, 18 minus 2 is 16. Tapos dun sa left natin, is mananatiling 4n. Then, last step, we need to get rid of 4. And how do we get rid of 4? Through using, tama, division property. So, we need to divide both sides by a single number or same number. Kung anong dinivide mo sa left, gagawin mo rin sa right, na mawawala si 4. And of course, that number is 4 itself, correct? Any number divided by itself, the answer is 1. So, ang matitira na lang sa left side natin nun is n, kasi nga madidivide si 4 sa sarili niya. And upon doing that, we also need to do it on the right side para mananatiling balance yung ating equation. Then 16 over 4 is 4. So therefore, our missing number or unknown number is actually 4. And if we want to check, 4 times a number, that's 4 times 4, 16 plus 2. 16 plus 2 is really 18. And we got the correct answer.